Today we are going to be unboxing the newest Mani by Me set, which is High Seas, and it is Pirates inspired. The subscription comes with 2 exclusive plates. The first plate is MXM057. The second plate is MXM058. As you can see, there's all kinds of really cool nautical themes. The next items that you'll be receiving in this box is our gorgeous new released stamping polishes, and this blue is Flotsam. I would say it's a medium tone blue, and lost gold. We wanted to select a gold color that kind of made you feel like it was treasure. The next item is your surprise gift. It's like a rainbow colored cuticle pusher, and you'll also get a cute little sticker. And in your very first box, you are going to get a stamper and scraper, so you'll have everything you need to start stamping.